Have you ever wondered how the wealthy are able to turn debt into wealth? Just imagine a life without debt, where you have complete control over your money and the ability to save thousands in high-interest payments while building your savings simultaneously. How much different could your life look? What types of things could you finally be able to do? How much different would the future look for you, your own children, or even your spouse if something were to ever happen to you? What kind of position would your family be in? If you can't answer this with a smile on your face, or worse yet, if you don't know the answer at all, don't panic. It's okay. I have good news. With our exclusive Debt Free Advantage program, this dream of being debt-free, building wealth, and setting your loved ones up for the future can become a reality. Unlike traditional financial strategies that take years to eliminate debt, our program can help you achieve financial freedom in less than half the time. And the best part? You don't need to increase your current income. Take back control of your money from the banks and creditors. You establish your own private bank that puts you in charge, allowing you to make decisions that benefit you and your family. Say goodbye to high-interest debt, car loans, and even your mortgage. Our debt payoff solution enables you to pay off these financial burdens in half the time, giving you the freedom to live the life you've always wanted. But it doesn't stop there. Our program also offers tax-free retirement income. Imagine enjoying your retirement without the burden of income taxes. With our livelihood safeguard, your income is protected, and your loved ones have the ability to pay off debts in the event of your passing. And when you do pass, you can leave a sizable lump sum of money to your family or loved ones, completely income tax-free. At Legacy Guard Financial Group, we believe in a better way to achieve financial success. Our team of licensed expert advisors are ready to guide you towards a more financially prosperous future. With over 300 families helped, 27 expert advisors, and $18 million in debt eliminated, our track record speaks for itself. Debt Free Advantage is not just another financial strategy. It's a modernized and efficient approach to accomplishing your financial goals. By utilizing the cash value of a specially designed whole-life insurance contract, we can help you build cash, pay off debt, save for the future, build wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Don't settle for a life of financial struggle. Turn your debt into wealth and take control of your financial future. Let us show you how easy it can be to achieve your goals and create a lasting legacy. Contact us today and take the first step towards a better, more financially secure future. Click the link below now, and let's transform what's possible together.